Balloons with water, in a car, or instead of a skirt? How will you be using balloons this summer? Watch a funny balloon challenge in our new video. Today is a balloon day. Let's celebrate! Light up your sparklers! Who can pop the most balloons? What did we find? It's a balloon challenge! This is the most unusual sumo fight. Fight! The balloon outfits make the contestants look really impressive. Whose balloons are stronger? Come on, girls! Show us what you are capable of! Both contestants are on the ground. Balloons win this battle. The Blue-Eyed Girl of Liberty. She put on her special tiara for this round. Her task is to pop a balloon with a surprise. What's inside? Cut pieces for a Statue of Liberty crown out of cardboard. Glue wooden skewers to the rays. Cut off the excess. Glue all the parts of the crown together. Coat it with gold spray paint. Attach an elastic ribbon. This tiara is made just for popping balloons. What surprise is waiting for the blue-eyed girl at the top? First balloon! Oh! It's raining Orbeez! Another balloon! Guess what's inside? It's colored sand! And what's in the third balloon? Are you ready, blue-eyed girl? Oh! That was unexpected! Hope you enjoyed your shower! The last balloon! The blue-eyed girl is prepared for the worst! What? Nothing! I shouldn't have been scared! New task! I think I'll open it myself. Balloons plus a dog? I need to use balloons in a creative way. I love my dog! My little Daisy! Blue-Eyed Girl's dog is an angel! Oh no! Daisy? Where are you going? Don't fly away! Don't worry, Blue-Eyed Girl. It's just a challenge. Your dog is safe. What an awesome party! But the blue-eyed girl made it even cooler. She's a balloon queen. Whoa, a balloon skirt. Now that's a spectacular entrance. The blue-eyed girl overshadows everyone. Not so fast, blue-eyed girl. June is very jealous. Your skirt is about to vanish into thin air. No! Our new task is to fill a car with balloons. That's not easy. The blue-eyed girl doesn't have much space left. Balloons are everywhere. Too bad they can't drive. Balloons, are you buckled in? But the blue-eyed girl found an easy way out. All the balloons can ride outside. It's obvious that there's a party going on in this car. Andy made a drink glass from a balloon. Hang on, Andy. There's a new task here. Fill balloons with liquid. Turn it on. We took the biggest balloons and hoses with water. Let's put the balloons through a strength test. The balloon that can hold the most water is the winner. The balloons are growing. They aren't going to pop. June, your balloon will lose for sure. We'll see about that, Andy. My red balloon is a champion. Andy's yellow balloon can't hold any more water. Buddy, you lost. Me and my balloon are winners. But not for long. June's balloon also pops. It's a tie. Balloons are watching us. Oh, here's the new task. Balloon games. That'll be fun. Let's go. Fill little balloons with water. Our weapons are ready. And now, let's throw them at each other. Aim, fire! Andy found a racket. Now I can hit water bombs. Andy, that's not a good idea. You are still wet. The blue-eyed girl has a net. She can catch balloons with it like butterflies. But it doesn't help either. Hey, June! Are you just watching? Here's one for you. Andy and I will combine our water forces. Balloon baseball! Fight back, June! Phew, that was fun. But we still have some water balloons left. Throwing them is so much fun. Whoops! Andy has a new game idea. Bend over and throw the balloons up. Whoever the balloon lands on is the lucky winner. Yay! All the balloons missed. Enough water for us. Andy prepared a new game for our challenge. It's called Boom Balloon. This balloon won't survive. Trace a template of a game ring on Styrofoam. Cut it out with a utility knife. Trim the edges, smooth them with sandpaper. Poke holes with a sharp skewer. Coat the ring with blue acrylic paint. Cut it in half. And glue it to the other ring. Cover the joints with light clay and color it. Attach a balloon holder to the center. Divide chopsticks into identical pieces with a Fineliner and stick them in the holes on the rings. Game rules are simple. Each player throws the dice. This is the number of divisions you have to get the stick in. Whoever pops the balloon is the winner. Let's decide who's first. The blue-eyed girl wins! The die shows 2, so it means she moves the stick 2 times. June is next. Her divisions aren't enough to pop the balloon. Andy, you go! This game is fun! Who's the winner? The balloon is holding up, so who will win? Andy throws the dice. 5! That's lucky! Just a little bit more. Yay! The balloon pops! Andy wins this round! We have a new game. Paper cups and balloons. Everyone places their cups. Now what? The blue-eyed girl listens to a sad balloon song. The rules are simple. You have to pick up cups only using a balloon without using your hands. Inflate a balloon and pick up the cups. The atmosphere is heating up. Who can get it done faster? Andy takes the lead. Yay! Victory! The last cup lets the blue-eyed girl down, but she's still the runner-up. And June cheated, so she lost. Andy prepared a balloon card for his crush. What a big heart! Just like Andy's feelings. Oh, this heart is so nice. June, let's take a picture with it. I'm holding love in my hands. The pics turned out great. Andy's message of love is so unique. His secret crush is truly lucky. Did you like our balloon challenge? Then comment below which challenge task you'd complete. Play boom balloon, fill balloons with water, or make a skirt out of balloons? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so you don't miss new fun challenges from Troom.